Welcome. I'm Jerry with Stepsaver Products. We appreciate you stopping by. Let's break down our products a little bit. We've been manufacturing a peel, stick, and paint wall repair patch line in smooth as well as a pre-texture product since 1999. Sherwin Williams has been carrying our stress crack tape in packs since '05. We've got a smooth 13-foot repair pack, and we also have the pre-textured pack. So here's the ones that are on the shelf here. The green one here is going to be your pre-textured product, and we have the blue one's going to be the smooth. Same item, one's just pre-textured, the other one's smooth. It'll do outside corners, inside corners, as well as it will repair cracks in stress cracks in walls and ceilings, etc. So the material itself is a very strong, thin, durable material. Comes with uneven edging, blends in real well. Again, here's the pre-textured, and then we have the smooth. When we manufacture the product, the key is to have the thinnest, strongest repair that we can. We don't want a high build, so we want to be thin, but it's got to be durable. It's got to be very strong. So we'll give you a little breakdown here. Peel it off. The adhesive is a permanent adhesive. It's pressure sensitive, so you get the better adhesive by pressure sensitivity, so you press firmly outside the damaged area. But it's very strong. It's super thin. Uneven edging helps it blend into the surrounding surface, but yes, it's really durable. So the stress crack tape here, obviously, we've got the packs. We also have rolls. Here's an example of an outside corner repair. Peel it off, stick it on, paint it, just roughed in edges. Comes in rolls as well. So we've got various size rolls and lengths. We've got a 2-inch 50-foot roll. All this comes with, we've got SW numbers on all these. Some stores will bring in rolls specifically for customers. We've got a displayer here. So it's a 10-pack display for the 50-foot rolls. We've got textured rolls, 12-foot pre-textured. We also have a fast patch line. So large hole repair, doorknob size hole kit comes with 31 repairs in it. Again, smooth or textured, peel, stick, paint. Any large hole repair has center reinforcement comes with it. Just helps expand the gap and add strength. So center reinforcement, then go over the fast patch and then paint. The fast patch also has 30 other repairs. So you've got the wall anchor size hole, 2 pieces of stress crack tape, as well as nail size holes. Goof Patch, Goof-Light Patch. We've got different items. We're going to break those down at the end for you. Specific little videos, some tips, and what to do if you follow through. That'd be great. Bradz Self-Supporting Knee pads. For any of the flooring sales reps there, you've got people working on their knees, or even for the painters. Anyone that works on their knees on a job, if you're cutting in a hallway, it's really long, guys are on their knees, they need to be comfortable. The back of the knees bind. Our Bradz Self-Supporting Knee pads, they're designed to rest on top of your feet. So instead of strapping on tight and pinching behind your knee, these things designed to rest on top of your foot, and they just sit there loose, basically. So on top of your foot, open behind the knees. They got built-in tool grab, so you put pencil, screwdriver, cutters, tape measure, whatever you want. It's there, utility knife. And these also have replaceable kneecaps. So they've got the Velcro on the face. These are self-supporting. They stand up by themselves. The straps basically just keep them from falling over. They're designed to fit loose and comfortable. You've got leather caps. You've got hard plastic caps. You just Velcro them on. Peel them off when they wear out, or you just need, if you need leather for you're on a roof or anti-slip, or you're working on a floor, you don't want to scratch the floor. If you're on concrete or something, you'd want to go with the hard plastic ones. We've got smaller pads here, the Bradz ones. They're not self-supporting, but they're built on the same platform whereby you can use the exact same caps. So the caps are interchangeable between the smaller ones and the larger ones. That's it. We've got some videos at the end are going to give you some ideas of what will work for you, and save you some time, save you some energy, get your customers happy. Thanks. Appreciate you watching. This is Jerry here with Stepsaver Products. I want to discuss an item that we sell exclusively through Sherwin Williams. They're in all the Sherwin Williams paint stores. We certainly appreciate their business, and let's discuss it. So we've got stress crack tape. It's a 13-foot repair pack. It comes in either a pre-textured product or it comes in a smooth product. So here's your texture. It's nice, easy. You got textured walls. It's already pre-textured. Peel it off, stick it on, and paint it. And then you've got the smooth here. Uneven edging helps it blend into the surface, and if you got a crack coming on here and it's longer than the repair strips, you can just simply overlap them. So you would just take one off, peel it off, and then you want to press firmly outside the damaged area, so you overlap it slightly, press firmly, and then to continue the repair, you just peel off the next one and then continue on. Slightly overlap, continue to cover the crack, and you're ready to go. It's pretty easy. It'll also do corner repair, inside corner, outside corner. If you're going to do a corner repair, we suggest that you crease it in the desired direction you want, whether it's inside or outside corner, and then peel it off. It'll give you a nice straight line. And again, cracks and corners, outside corners, peel it, stick it, paint it. You can skim the edges if you want to make it completely undetectable, or you could texture over the texture if you need to be an exact match for your space. But it'll do the job. It'll do it well. Again, Sherwin Williams. If you have anything else, you want any questions, anything, videos or anything you want, let us know. We're happy to make them for you. Thanks. Jerry here again at Stepsaver Products. Wanted to discuss the stress crack tape. I know we went over the packs, the Sherwin Williams exclusive packs. The stress crack tape also comes in rolls. So 100-foot roll, 1 1/4 inch smooth product. And then we've got a textured roll, pre-textured. So it's 12 foot by 1 1/4 inch. Again, textured wall for textured walls, match your wall. Again, peel it off, stick it, press firmly outside the damage area. Just go over, slightly overlap. If you have long, irregular cracks, it'll be fine. And we also have the, there's a 2-inch wide roll. This is same thing, irregular edges, peel it off, stick it on, paint it. This would be ideal for outside corners, inside corners. Give you an inch on either side. Simply peel, stick, paint. You've got, you could skim the edge if you want, or you go direct to paint. Anyways, any questions or anything else, let us know. We're happy to answer any questions, and we'll shoot you a response. We'll make you a special video. We also will do special custom finishes on products. If you have a specific requirement for a texture, we can't rush it through, but when we get into production, you shoot us some images. We're happy to work with you on that. Thanks. All right, Jerry here with Stepsaver Products. Want to address a couple products with you, give you some tips and information on the products. One of them is the Fast Patch 31 Repair Patch. Comes in either a pre-textured or a smooth finish. And then the Mini Patch, which is a 54 repair pack. Comes in either a pre-textured or a smooth. So here's the Fast Patch. I pulled them out here. These are the textured ones. Comes with a large patch, 6-inch, and a center reinforcement. So you take the center reinforcement patch, you would put it over the hole, press firmly outside the damaged area, and then you go over the top of it with the Fast Patch, press firmly, paint ready. This is a textured patch, so it would be used on a textured surface. Also comes with 30 other repairs. So you've got wall anchor size, nail hole size, some cracks, and corner repair. Easy, simple. I knocked a hole in here for a wall anchor. So we've got a wall anchor size. I peel one off, it's smooth. So basically you just peel it off, stick it on, press firmly outside the damaged area. That's ready for paint. Same thing with little nail hole we've got here. So we're going to put that on and it's good to go. A tip I've got for you is on both of these products have smaller patches. This has the large one and the small ones. The Mini Patch just has the smaller ones and not the larger one. But you can take them and pre-paint them. If you pre-paint the patch, when I should say pre-painting, if you're going to do a repaint and you're painting the walls and you're for a customer or for your own walls, get a pack, paint them a little bit, put them in the drawer, put them back in the pack after they're dry, put them in the drawer. You move a picture or anything, and then you can just come back and quickly fix the hole. So we've got a painted patch. It's pre-textured. The walls are textured. So we're just going to peel it off. We're going to stick it over the hole, and it's done. And same thing with the next one here. We'll just peel it off, stick it on. It's ready to go. You can do the same thing with the smooth. Anything, questions, anything you got, let me know. We're happy to help you out. Again, thanks. 100% made in America, not source goods. Also, we're going to go with the textured patch. 100% made in America. Jerry here at Stepsaver Products. Again, just want to shoot a quick video here and discuss our Goof Patch. It's designed to go around switches and outlets. Comes in either a pre-textured or a smooth finish. It's already pre-cut, so the outlet will go around it easy. The switch, any wall element. This is a textured patch, so it's pre-textured. Again, it's already pre-cut, simple, easy. All you got to do is pull it off so you can see the middle here. Ready to roll. Good, easy, simple stuff. As far as the material goes, it's strong, very durable, patented, very nice, self-adhesive, pressure-sensitive adhesive. And again, it's just simple. It's peel it, stick it, paint it. Again, pre-cut. You can do double cuts, double outlets too. Jerry here, Stepsaver Products. Again, wanted to give you a quick breakdown on the Goof-Light Patch. It's designed to go around recessed can lights. Guy installs them, fails, do a good job, and then he just makes too big of a hole. And so we got a patch here for that. So here we go. We got a Goof-Light Patch. Peel it, stick it, paint it. Very easy. It comes in a smooth or pre-textured. Here's your pre-textured version here. It's already pre-cut. You just slightly overlap them, and you can do different size. Very easy. So go around, peel, stick, and then paint over here. You need to do one side, fine, two sides, different sizes. You just slightly overlap them. It's a pressure-sensitive adhesive, so you just press firmly outside the damage area. Again, it comes in a textured, comes in a smooth. Depends on what your wall is. Any questions or anything else, just let us know.